Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain American Express Platinum Card travel insurance. We'll dive into the various protections offered, helping you understand what's covered and what's not. This review will help you decide if the card's travel insurance meets your specific needs for your next adventure. We'll cover key benefits and important limitations to ensure you're fully informed before you travel. The Platinum Card offers robust travel protections. For instance, trip cancellation and interruption insurance can cover up to $10,000 per covered person, with a maximum of $20,000 per account per 12-month period. Lost or delayed baggage is also covered, providing up to $2,000 for checked bags and $3,000 for carry-on luggage. Plus, you get secondary car rental loss and damage insurance, covering up to $75,000 for theft or damage. While comprehensive, it's crucial to understand the limitations. For example, pre-existing medical conditions are typically not covered, so always review the policy details. Certain adventurous activities or travel to specific regions might also be excluded. Remember, filing a claim requires meticulous documentation and adherence to strict timelines, so keep all your receipts and records handy. Always read the full terms and conditions. To make the most of your Amex Platinum travel insurance, always read the detailed terms and conditions before your trip. Understand what's covered and any exclusions. If you need to file a claim, do so promptly and provide all required documentation, like receipts and police reports. For very specific or high-value needs, consider purchasing supplemental insurance to ensure complete peace of mind on your journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.